So guys, now we will discuss that how can we download Python in our computer. So let's begin. So first of all, you have to come on your browser and you have to type python python.org. Okay. So it's a oops, can't find Python, so it's mistake. So what you have to do is python.org. Org. It is not secured. Yeah, now it's done. Downloads. You can download from here from macOS. These are for macOS and this is for Windows. So you can download from here. So you can see it's downloading. Okay. So come to download. So while it downloads, you have to go to chat on google.com and now you have to download JetBrains PyCharm. So JetBrains PyCharm is basically the editor of Python which we will be using. So go into that link. Yeah, so if you want to download PyCharm, so you have to simply go to jetbrains.com/pycharm and you can simply download from here. So it's downloading. Yeah, it's downloaded. So basically it's already downloaded in my laptop, so I think so it's not downloading again. So I'm opening PyCharm. I opened PyCharm already. So hope you can. So it will open a short while. Yeah, it's open. So in this video, I will give you some of the examples of Python. So this is your PyCharm and you can simply come here. Let me zoom. Oh, it's not zooming. Anyways, so you have to simply come to here and go to their settings here and yeah, simple file, save as. Yeah, it's saved. And now what you have to do, yeah, here it is. It's a normal file here, which is Python file. You have to save, come to new, and here it is Python file. Okay, click on this. You have to name this file. So I'm naming this file Ryan .py, which is Python. So it's ryan.py. So what you guys have to do is simple print Garis. Come here to run and run Garis. So it's here, not in Garis.py. In this one, run Ryan. You can see Ryan. Yeah, so let's print the age. So what you have to do is write down the age equals what's your age? Hello, Ryan.
The recording is on.
Yeah, speak. No problem. What's your age?
8.
8. 8. Yeah, 8. Wait. Now it's done. So what you have to do is print age, and you have to delete these commas, quotation marks. Save it, run Ryan. You can see that it's 8. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Now you have to do work equals he works at, he is completing his education from school. So let me try this, that this will work or not. No, it will not work. Education. Now this will he go to school. It's error. So wait. Copy. Paste. Work. Run. So let's see the error. I'm telling you because I want to show the error. Yeah, look at this. This syntax is invalid. Okay. So what you have to do
Okay.
is, yeah, close this. Now run. Now there is an error, and the error is you can't put the text. You can only put the numbers. Okay. So let me tell you. Marks 8 plus 2. Okay. Print marks. Run. Look at this. Do you understand now?
Yeah.
He got marks in his test. Run. So it is error. What is the error basically? Is the error is that we can't write the whole sentence without quotation marks. If we want to write the whole sentence, so we have to put the quotation marks, and the thing is that we can't write down the whole sentence with the command. Okay, so mark is command. Okay. Yeah, let me change the name. Ryan is like this. Okay. So
Okay.
yeah.